Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So it seems like it's been ages since my last video. Basically, my wife and I, we've got some really big changes that are coming up to our lives and basically been manic, so we've been trying to sort out all the new stuff which is happening, and I just haven't had time to go out and shoot any videos. But guys, we do have some big news coming. I'm not going to share it in this video, but it is huge for my wife, myself, and also this channel is going to benefit from it massively. So make sure, if you haven't already, you hit the subscribe button, because there's a huge announcement coming in the next couple of days. Anyway guys, in this video, I did decide last night to go out and check out the brand new Hard Rock Cafe. It was only the second night it's been open, and it's here in Johor. It's literally 5 minutes away from my house. So I'm going to show you a little bit around the venue, have a look at what the food's like, see what the drinks are like, and I will give my honest review at the end of this video. See what I thought of it. It was last night I went to it, but please enjoy.
I don't want to feel this good just cause you called last night. I'm not that girl. I don't want to dress up for you and be a toy. I'm not that girl. No, I'm not that girl. You got me just as long as I'm bored. Put your feelings aside, give that wild shot a try. Let's ride. No one does it better. Put your feelings aside, throw yourself out in the night. Let's ride. Let's ride.
Right, okay, so guys, I'm going to give my honest opinion on the Hard Rock Cafe. Now the first thing I want to talk about is the prices. The prices are pretty similar to everywhere else around the area. Maybe the food was a little bit more expensive, but the food was actually better than anywhere else that I've had food in the local area. So I think it wins on that anyway. Drink prices, drinks are drinks, like they make proper cocktails and they're in proper cocktail glasses, rather than just getting it in like the kind of glass you get from IKEA like the other places serve. So it wins on drinks. Maybe again prices are a little bit higher, but the drinks are better. So the venue itself, quite small, but I kind of like that, and they've got the upstairs bit which wasn't open, so I think it would be bigger. The stage was set up really well. The live band were excellent. Like, it's the best place to see live music is the Hard Rock. Like, when you go and see other venues and they've just got like a guy on a keyboard singing Whitney Houston, like it's not the same thing. This band was covering all covers from rock to Adele to bloody No Doubt, and it was absolutely fantastic. So the fact that the live music was on as well. I think the Hard Rock is going to wipe the floor of every other venue in Johor. So that's my opinion. I think it's absolutely fantastic. The manager was walking around, introducing himself, talking to everyone. The staff were so bubbly. They introduced themselves by name. They remembered your name. They brought the drinks to you. It took a little bit while for the drinks to come, but it was very busy. I'm going to give it a 9 out of 10. And the only reason I'm not going to give it a 10 out of 10 is because it's expensive. But you get what you pay for, in my opinion. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. It's been really short, obviously. Like I said, make sure if you haven't already, subscribe and hit the notification bell, because there is some big news coming for the channel, for myself and for my wife in the next week or so. Anyway guys, enjoy Christmas. If you can't think of anything to get someone for Christmas, give them some knowledge, and the best knowledge you can give to someone is telling them to subscribe to Ollie Odyssey. Anyway guys, thanks very much, and I'll see you next time.